Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to share your Google Drive folder from your Drive. And let's dive right into the video. And now to share your Google Drive folder, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened my Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in drive.google.com like this and hit enter. And after that, first I have already logged into my Google Drive account, but you'll be required to log into your Google Drive if you have not signed into your Google account on your computer. Because I have signed into my Google account on this computer, I am not required to log in. You will be first required to log into your Google Drive account, and after you proceed, you will be over here on this page which says Google Drive, or the drive of by provided by the Google itself. And now, before we proceed, guys, do make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon if this method successfully solves your problem. And with that being said, you can see there are two folders over here. To share your folder, right click over the folder. Which one do you want to share? Like, I want to share the group projects, even if it's currently empty. No worries, let's go to our drive by clicking over here and right click over here, and there you will find the share button available over here. Click over there, or you can see after you choose this folder, the share button will be available also on the top right corner of your screen like this. And you can see if you don't choose a folder, there is no button available. Choose the folder which you want to share, and you can see the share button again. Click over there, and you can add people or groups over here, as I have already added a person. I have not added a person. Let's add one. Let's go. And I want to add this Gmail to my account. Let's type the address, and after typing in the address, the Google will show you the recommendation for your email. Click over there if it matches, and you can see you can give them permissions from over here, like the editor only, commenter, viewer, and you can notify the people saying your message like, hey, I have shared my folder, use according to your needs, and hit that send button. And an email will be sent to the mail account which you just typed in over here after clicking over here on the share button like this. And you can see there is the editor available now, and you can also share to a link. You can see the copy link button available over here. Click on copy link, and after that a link will be available on your clipboard. Paste it, and you can see this is the link which will, if we send to somebody, they will be able to access our Google Drive. And currently it's restricted over here, general access, and you will want to change that, because if you don't change it, even if somebody has this link, they will not be able to go to your drive and do something or import their needs. Let's click over there, and you can see anyone with the link. Click over there, and it's updating. And after that, after you have changed your general access permission, you will be able, or your viewers will be able to see your drive, and there won't be a restriction of any kind. And do make sure you turn this one on. Click on done, and if you send this link, we just copy paste it over here like this. You will be able to, or the person whom you send the link will be able to view your drive or use your folder. And there, guys, this is how you share a folder on Google Drive. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.